Asha24 and you're welcome to this series on Informatica PIM, Informatica Product 360 Degree. Alright, so let's get started on this thing. So what exactly is Informatica PIM? So let's try to understand this thing. So the tool that you see in front of you, this is what is Informatica PIM. Earlier this was called as it was called as Healer. So that was a German company. You can see here H-E-I-L-E-R, Healer, that's the company. And Informatica acquired this company and then they just they are using it as renamed it. So that's what they have done. All right, so what exactly is PIM? Now PIM is slightly confusing because it's not for every domain. It's related to product domains and retail domains, stuff like that. So probably who are coming from finance and other sectors might not be able to understand. So let me put it very simply so that even a kid can understand what exactly is PIM. So let's get started. So Amazon, let me go to Amazon, take the example of Amazon. All right, just 1 second. I'll go here. So let me go to Amazon. Let's say that I'm looking for something called as a t-shirt. So let's say t-shirt, let's say this guy. So Rockstar t-shirt. Okay, so that's 1 star. Wouldn't want that. But let's say this one. See here. This is also not that great. Just 1 second. I will 1 minute. So t-shirt. Let's search for a great one. Okay, let's say this one. So you see here, when I'm searching for this t-shirt, then you can see a lot of stuff. You see this. First of all, you see image, a image file. Then you see a similar an image that contains an infographics kind of stuff, which contains the size and all that things. And then you see a video, right? So and here if you go, you see the size, all that stuff, and then you see the percentage cotton, so more, all these things. And then you see the pricing is quite dynamic. It means, let's say if I purchase this product in Germany, if I purchase this thing in US, India, then it will be different prices, which is quite natural. But you will also see something like if you're purchasing in your Mac, then the price will be different. If you're purchasing in your desktop, then the price will be different, and in an iPhone or Android phone, it will be different. So it will be different in different user agents. We call them user agents, right? So that's how is it possible? Who manages that thing? Do you think Amazon, the website manages? Of course, the website does it, but there is a software that powers this whole thing, and that's the PIM, product information management. So all the products that you see here, all this product stuff, that's managed by Informatica PIM, especially the pricing one, which is you can say Informatica does it, but pretty much it's done by the SAP module in most of the projects, because SAP is quite advanced in terms of the pricing. But anyway, that's not the point. So you see here, and the suggestions as well, as you see, so customers who bought this product also bought this stuff. So this all stuff, people think, a lot of people think that okay, it's something crazy, like Amazon does pattern identification, does it. Of course they are great, they are doing it, but internally there is a software which does it. That's PIM, right? And that's what we are talking about. So this is what the PIM is, right? So this is the software PIM. And talking about the interface, this interface is not like the other interfaces. So other interfaces in the sense, so we have seen tools like Informatica MDM, Informatica Data Quality, Informatica Power Center. Now those tools are quite similar, but this one is different. This one is pretty much like Eclipse based, because this was purchased. Remember I told you that this is not an original Informatica product. So talking about that, see, this is, I have already told you that this is not for all the domains. This is only for limited retail and product kind of domains. And you see, it's quite there are a lot of things that can be done. It automates a lot of stuff. So you can see here supplier catalogs. Let's say you are running a retail shop, or let's say something like an e-commerce site like Amazon, then all the supply catalogs. Then yeah, and one more thing, you can also integrate a BPM, business process management. Now what exactly is BPM? I don't have time for that. I'll explain it in a separate video. But anyway, BPM is nothing but you have processes, like you have like one process, another thing, right? And there is a software that integrates all that thing. let's say if I explain in a very simple way, um, let's say I have to move data to mainframe, right? Mainframes. So I can list down many things. So move data to mainframes, move it to another system, then do this, then do that. So all that stuff, all that thing, that's nothing but that's what I mean that can be managed in business process management. And the BPM tool that Informatica uses, that's Active VOS. That is also an Informatica product for your information. Active VOS. And see here the multimedia attachments and all that stuff. So I told you, right, you can manage images, you can manage stuff like your videos, images, any type of multimedia stuff. So that's done here. And import, you can do import export of the stuff, right? And create processes. The one more thing, that you can use Informatica data quality or other data quality tools also can be used. So that makes this thing quite powerful, because let's say you get data from your supplier, right, whoever is providing the products, then you cleanse the data, you do the data quality stuff properly, and then you load it in your system. You just don't load any junk data. So that's all stuff that's done by this IDQ. All right, IDQ can be integrated with PIM. So that's what you see here: IDQ, quality, manual check, schedule, all that stuff. And right, so and the Explorer, you can see here, you can have something like master catalog, or you can create your own catalogs as well. And the good thing is, you will see the most important thing, it you don't have 10, 20 different tools for this thing. You just have one tool, that's this tool. You do have another tool, but it's not that important. But this one, if you understand this tool, then you can do pretty much most of the stuff that are needed. And talking about, a lot of people ask me, what's the prerequisite? I mean, can anyone learn? Yeah, anyone can learn this. From prerequisite point of view, I would say it's nothing much, but sometimes for customization, you would need a little bit of Java, sometimes for customization. But anyway, customization is not something that you will do every day. I mean, how many times you would have ordered helicopter, what do you say, wheels, something for your bicycle, or say truck wheels for your bicycle. That's customization. So you don't do that every day. So you don't need to worry on that if you don't know. Apart from that, everything is quite easy and simple. And this is, I would say, it's a very small tool compared with other things. It's quite limited and small. Right. So I hope you liked this session. You enjoyed it. If you have anything, any doubts or anything, I will be creating a tutorial series on this whole product, where I will explain you step by step what are all the things that you need to do to configure it. I'm preparing that. So till then, thanks guys, thank you for watching this stuff. And if you do like, please leave a comment. I would really love to hear your views on what exactly is PIM and what do you expect, how can I help you in this process. Thanks guys, thank you very much.